I just got the 9th generation iPad for $250 on Black Friday. It has 64 gigabytes of memory. So let's open it up. Take the cellophane off of there. Has the Apple logo on top. Let's see what's inside the box. Okay, here's the iPad. Let's take the cover off there. There's a look at the back. Buttons on the side for volume. Power button on top. This one looks like it has a headphone jack. It says designed by Apple in California. Have the instructions inside. Our Apple power brick here. Plug the USB-C side into the power brick. We have an Apple Lightning cable on the other side to go into the iPad. That's all that's in the box. Plug the power brick in. Plug the iPad in. The iPad's now charging. It's turning on. English. United States. Quick start. You can grab your current iPhone and it will pop up a notification to set up your iPad with your iPhone. You hit continue. Keep this iPad near your iPhone while setting up. Set up new iPad using your Apple ID. Set up for me. It's asking for a passcode on the iPad, so it's finishing up on the iPad. Use fingerprint in place of your passcode or Apple ID. So I'll hit continue, put my fingerprint on, and keep doing that till it gets it. Keep going to capture the edges of your prints. Lift and rest edges. Okay, it's complete. Setting up your Apple ID. Terms and conditions, agree. Setting up your Apple ID. Choose how you want to transfer apps and data to the iPad. Restore from iCloud backup. Then choose your iPhone. Okay. Make this your new iPad. Continue. To add Apple Pay, we'll set up later. Set up later for Siri. And then it has Apple software, so download and install. Terms and conditions, agree. Agree. All right, it's going to take 5 minutes to update. Looks like we're done. Now the iPad's restoring from iCloud. Looks like we're all set up. So we have our different apps that were backed up from the iPhone. Clock, our notes, calendar, weather. We slide to the right and slide over. Here's all the apps. You slide over again, you see all the other apps. Start Safari. And that's a look at the 9th generation iPad. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and comment below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.